Staying updated on industry best practices. The pursuit of excellence. Welcome to Lecture 16.3. The field of bid management is dynamic, with evolving client expectations and technological advancements. Organizations that prioritize staying informed about these developments and proactively adapt their processes and strategies are more likely to achieve consistent bidding success. A commitment to continuous learning is essential for maintaining a competitive edge. Key avenues for staying updated. You can stay updated through several key avenues. Industry associations. Engage with professional associations like the Association of Proposal Management Professionals, APMP, for access to best practice guides and networking opportunities. Conferences and workshops. Attending these events provides opportunities to learn from experts and gain insights into the latest tools, techniques, and best practices. Benchmarking and competitive analysis. Regularly benchmark your organization's bid processes and performance against industry standards and competitors to identify areas for improvement. Continuous professional development. Encourage your team to pursue certifications, online courses, and self-study to ensure their skills and knowledge remain current. Internal knowledge sharing. Foster a culture of internal knowledge sharing through communities of practice or regular team meetings to disseminate best practices. A culture of experimentation and innovation. While adhering to established best practices is important, organizations should also foster a culture of experimentation and innovation within their bid management function. This involves encouraging the bid team to explore new approaches and test innovative ideas. Encouraging new approaches. Explore new proposal formats. Experiment with different structures or visual layouts to see what resonates best with clients. Leverage emerging technologies. Pilot new software or AI tools to streamline processes or enhance content creation. Test innovative win themes. Develop and test new ways to articulate your value proposition and differentiate from competitors. Learning from experience. Safe space for experimentation. Create an environment where failures are seen as learning opportunities, not setbacks. Piloting new methods. Implement new communication styles or visual presentation techniques on a small scale to evaluate their effectiveness. Evaluate and incorporate successes. Carefully evaluate the results of experiments and integrate successful innovations into your organization's standard bid practices. Key takeaways. The journey of continuous bidding excellence. Continuous improvement in bid management is not a destination, it is an ongoing journey. By using a framework that incorporates continuous learning, regular review, and adaptation, organizations can cultivate a culture of excellence, foster agility and adaptability, and consistently enhance their bidding capabilities. This ensures they remain at the forefront of the bidding arena and consistently deliver high-quality, winning proposals.